How engineers do it.
Before we start today's video, I would like to ask all my viewers to subscribe to my YouTube channel How Engineers Do It. Share the video among all of your friends and also hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
Hello friends, this is Mohammed Shakil here from How Engineers Do It, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can design a Luminous Interstellar model in Catia v5. What you see here is the model in the Catia environment. I'm just going to show you a few renders. So these are the different renders, and without further ado, let's begin with the tutorial. Alright, now we'll start with some circular patterns in order to continue with our design. So what we're going to do is go for insert, go for circular pattern, and we'll give complete crown of 5 instances. Reference element is z-axis, and click on OK. Now we have this part done. Alright, now what we're going to do is we're going to go for a circular pattern again, and reference element is this edge over here, and we're going to give 120 degrees minus 120 degrees, and instance are 2. So we have another one created here. Alright, now we'll select that circular pattern and go for another circular pattern, and this time we'll give the z-axis as the reference, complete crown. We'll give instance 5. Alright, now that's done. Click on OK. I'm just going to save this model. And we'll see the next part of the video let's see the next part in the next video. Thank you and stay tuned.